Mr. Mirada, me blow the opportunity. More than mash up anything for anybody else.
Nervousness are killing her through.
Hear me, I say no. Me not really do nothing to jeopardize the agency boss lady, but me just a keep a close eye on the whole thing, you see me?
Not too close. You know, so I'm gonna need Pat to tell me what a South American agency are up to.
Well,
Come on, free up your conscience. Say something.
alright. Them send a woman come down here to do some investigation. Yeah.
Yeah? Who she?
Nobody will you know. I mean, she Jamaican still, you know. But them did have her like in South America and some other place far away. And she, yeah, trust me, you never have a clue who that. Not on your radar. Strange.
Really no? What's your name?
Miranda Suarez.
There you go. That not feel better now. At least that's a start. Me gone.
Miranda Suarez. Me know me hear that name there already, you know.
You sure? Cause she usually there far in some region like Colombia, Arabia, Africa, that region there. Far. Sometimes she so far, it come like to the infiltration work what she do. Like she underwater, me I tell you. So me not think of she.
So what she plan for do where this case is concerned?
Me no know, you know. But based on what me hear, she not stay long.
Me need to do a little digging on that girl here, you know.
Angie, hear me I say, you take my foolish advice. You don't want to touch she or none of them agent they attack the place. Trust me, you see any of them ever discover, so you're looking at any of them agent file, that can put Mullins in a double trouble. I don't want that.
Maybe you're right. So our hands basically tied with this Tony case then.
In a way. But me have a plan to kill two birds with one stone.
What that?
The container where they want the wharf, with Carlton name on it, you don't collect it. Mullins tell them, say, no make no alarm. Just send a message and tell Wally say it arrive.
Then over 2 weeks, the container there, dead.
What I know is that him really expect a shipment or something, but it get delayed.
Oh, so you plan for use that one year for make him go pick up?
You see, when him go and see what in the container, him go freak out.
You mean him gonna lose it? But what gonna stop him from get arrested?
I don't talk to the wharf manager them already, man, and tell them no raise no alarm. I use it and get to the real mastermind.
Me follow you. Continue.
Well, knowing who Carlton Wallace is, man go after Tony himself. All we have to do, just follow the breadcrumbs and finish off the job.
You know you're an outstanding agent, Mr. Savage, when you're on the right side.
Yeah. Me know.
You know it's an absolute turn on.
Agent Brissett. Now you so we supposed to go out the road go check on the juniors. Hmm?
Yeah, but after round 3 of cops and robbers.
Okay, ma'am.
You coming?
For sure. Angie,
Yeah?
how we get a painting now?
Oh, that is a gift from Shepherd.
The way you